Welcome to day 3 of our Power BI DAX error series. Today we are tackling a common issue. A single value for a column in a table cannot be determined. This error occurs when your DAX formula tries to use a column with multiple values but doesn't specify how to combine them, like summing or averaging. Let's break down what's going wrong and how to fix it. Let's understand the data model first. So I have a sales table. If I go to the sales table, I have 4 columns: year, product, value, and quantity. And if I go to the report view, I have one matrix here and one table here to get the clear picture of how the data is structured. Let's go to the measure which I have written here. In the measure, I am trying to access the sales value, which is the value column in the sales table, and I'm getting an error. In this error, basically, we are just trying to understand what is this error message. A single value for a column, value in the sales table, cannot be determined. And why it is happening? The measure is trying to use a sales value directly, which can have many different values. DAX needs to know how to handle this column with multiple values. In this formula, sales value, which is just a column reference without any aggregation, which means DAX doesn't know if you want to sum, average, or do something else with these values. The correct approach is to use aggregate functions like sum or sumx, or to tell the DAX how to combine these values in the column. Okay, let's go to the next measure, which is just I have improvised. So here I have used the aggregate function to remove the error, but I have just formatted with some variables for the easy understanding. So in this DAX formula, I have not taken the quantity column into account, but I have also written another measure, which is I have included the quantity column as well. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. See you in the next video.